Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add some library parts for PCB designing. One of the most common challenge of designing printed circuit boards using proteus is that proteus doesn't have a lot of library parts, the footprints of many components. So there are different ways that you can add some library parts to your software. Today I'm going to show you the best two ways of adding some library parts for PCB designing in Proteus software. Okay, today I'm going to give you a very simple example to demonstrate how you can add those library parts. The first way, if you are using Proteus software from version I think it's 8.6 version to 8.8 to 8.9, 8.13, 8.12, all of those versions support this one, this method. Suppose I want to design a PCB board for Snapeda 328P, which is a DIP model, dual line packaging model. So if I come here and search for Snapeda 328, okay, there are these two models here. This is one of my library parts which I've added. Suppose I don't have it. Most of the Proteus, if you just install them, they only have this model over here. So though you can have different options in here, there is this one SPD DIL model, as you can see in a PCB preview. But if you add this one and place it here, if you come here to PCB layout and come over here, come to component mode, if you click again, the same problem. What we got is not the DIP packaging that we want. So where do I get the exact model? So I'm going to delete this one. Also I'm going to delete this. To download the PCB packaging for any device that is not available in your Proteus software, just come to Pay and then search for the component that you want. For instance, it's Snapeda 328P, 28P. Then do not look at these parts over here. There is an option. You can find more results using from Snapeda or some like SYS. So I usually recommend that you have internet connection and then click this option. If you click that option, as you can see, there are a lot of different models available for you. So you can select whatever you want. It depends on the style or the packaging style that you want. Okay. So for instance, I do like this one. Okay, as you can see, this is the dual line packages. There are a lot of them. So PCB preview, this is our dual line packaging. If you click another one, you get another quad flat, no lead, another packaging style. So this method is very effective and very simple to add library parts to your Proteus software. Then if you click OK, yes, I've already done that. So we're going to override everything I had. Then here we go. We got our own PCB, our own packaging, new footprint part for Snapeda 308P. So if you come to PCB layout, wow, we got this one. If you come to component mode, click this one. If you place the component, we're going to have the DIP packaging footprint for your Snapeda 308P. But most of the time it requires you to be signed up to Snapeda account. You should have a Snapeda account before you do this one. Okay, so I do suggest that you go online in Google and then sign up for, go to search for snapeda2.com again, and then sign up. But I've already had an account. Here we go. I have an account. For me, I'm not going to sign up, so you have to enter all the requirements here and create your own account. But for me, sorry, I'm just going to log in because I already have an account. So this is my account. Then enter the password. Wow, so I suggest that you remember me. Here we go. Now, Snapeda has a lot of different footprints of many, more than 20 million parts can be available here. If I try to search for Snapeda, wow, there is here 300A different models available. So you can search whatever you want. Choice like P, like the PU packaging. So if you fail to get any part in the proteus, you can come to Snapeda official website, make sure you have an account and search that component part. It will be much more easier for you to get the part. Or you can search after logging in, then and simply just pay. If I want a packaging model for 5 timer, maybe an integrated circuit timer. If I click here, there's a model, but I can find other designing. Okay, if you come to here, you can have two different. For instance, this is more clarified and very clear, very easy to use while you're designing your PCB, because it specifies the namings and stuff. So you can add this, click OK, and put in a circuit. So it has a lot of, it is more descriptive than the normal part that is available in a proteus. Okay, so I've already have my part here from master chip. If you do click it, so as I say, the packaging, the part name and everything is so that now you can download the print. You can download everything from here, or you can just click auto import. If you click auto import, you're going to get this file and upload it to your proteus. Now if you want to download, then I have to specify for which software am I. Okay, now as you can see, it's very limited. This proteus 8.9 and later. So I'm going to click this one. It converts everything for me. Then it's done. I'm going to be able to download this one. Then okay, I'll be able to open this one. So what should I do? I have to copy these. Copy. I'll just Control C and go to the library parts of proteus, which is always located to like I just can say, then to program file letter 6, then to lab center, then to proteus, then to data, then libraries, and then we're going to pass this one. So we have the model now. We have everything. If I do close it, gonna go up there, close this one, save no changes, and if you open again your proteus software. Okay, if you open again your software, after that everything will be okay, and you'll be able to find your part, your imported part. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you a lot.